Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pynskhem da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kahnyothrep Youth Council Southwest Khasi District hakar phunyotrep Juliu arajar arpusan Pynskhem Nongkitkam Thymmai nakabentaka samoitrikam jungsnem arajar arpusan arajar arpupra hagajingalang kablalong hakashnong maugarwat Nongkitkam Thymmai Pynskhem do Vice President KHYC Sengkeme ubadan bok harlingdo Kikintup yu President usamla Pynskhem bor lang harjarin General Secretary samla walam bor nongsi bat kiwe de Nongkitkam Haganiga sni lasa kilang do MLA Jogamokawat constituency uba Renekton L Tongkhar u President Jogasinjuk Seng Samla Shnong Kabri Hinyotrep uba walam bor nongsi u President KHYC West Khasi District usamla lum lang simli bat kiwe
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.